let's move on to the French presidential candidate, National Front Party leader Marine Le Pen is once again warning she could take France out of the EU, just as Paul suggested there, and also NATO if she gets elected. Marine Le Pen's one of the favourites for that election, along with François Fillon, but rival Fillon's well ahead of Le Pen in the latest polls by 44% to 24%. Her policies, though, have broad support from both her party and voters.
Marine Le Pen is blaming globalization for many of the problems that the French people are encountering today. It is very important to understand that the European countries on the migrant routes have been totally unable to control the influx of migrants into the Schengen space. And Marine Le Pen is the favorite French politician. I think that when she starts explaining her program, many people will understand that it's the only way that we can actually get France out of its dire state in which it is today.
Well, numerous outlets are portraying Marine Le Pen in an increasingly negative light. They're branding her a threat to Europe over her anti-EU stance. She's also being criticised for alleged links to Russia.
And yes, rather than the establishment trying to auto-analyze themselves and have an introspection and say, well, what are we, we are to blame for this. What have we done wrong? Where have we gone wrong? They refuse this introspection and see us looking for a scapegoat. And I think that's what they are doing by pointing the finger at Russia. It is much easier to find a scapegoat far away than have an introspection and look at the mistakes they've made themselves, because they are responsible for the state in which France is today.